Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to your channel, and I am Sutapaghosh going to draw one beautiful portrait of Kaji Najrul Islam to tribute him on his birthday, that is on Nazrul Jayanti, that is 24th May. Today we gathered and celebrated his birthday, and this portrait is nothing but a small tribute for him. Okay, so before we start our main drawing step by step, I just want to mention Art Factory channel. Okay, so you observe the drawing and see the minute details I have done with this portrait. So much of work is there, and while you are watching this portrait, I'm gonna give you some information about Kaji Najrul Islam. Kaji Najrul Islam was a Bengali poet, writer, musician, and is the national poet of Bangladesh. Very revered poet in India and around the world. Nazrul is regarded as one of the greatest poets in Bengali literature, popularly known as Nazrul. He produced a large body of poetry, music, messages, novels, stories, etc. with themes that included equality, humanity, religious devotions, etc. Nazrul's activism for political and social justice, as well as writing a poem titled as Bidrohi, meaning the rebel, in Bengali, earned him the title of Bidrohi Chobi, means rebel poet. His composition from the avant-garde music genre of Nazrul Giti, music of Nazrul. Born into a Bengali Muslim Kaji family hailing from Bardwan district in Bengal Presidency, now in West Bengal, India, Nazrul Islam received religious education and as a young man worked as a muezzin at a local mosque. He learned about poetry, drama and literature while working with the rural theatrical group Letor Dal. Leto means a folk song genre of West Bengal, usually performed by people from Muslim community of the region. He joined the British Indian Army in 1917 and was posted in Karachi. Nazrul established himself as a journalist in Calcutta after the war ended. Hey my friends, so this is all about Kaji Najrul Islam, and please let me know what is your opinion about his portrait work. I have done so much of effort. If you are new to my channel, then please like it and do subscribe to my channel, cause I used to bring such informative videos as well as drawing artworks. So thank you so much for watching. Please be with me throughout my journey at YouTube. Thank you so much for watching till here. See you tomorrow with another beautiful portrait work. Till then, take care. Keep drawing. Bye.